People, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, we have big war over Jakes. So right now Annie and Rosalie are go at it, my people. So I say I'm gonna share that with you. Why I lie, my people, Jakes for your ugly man. The dog is a hot topic right now and it look like say man have a woman already, my people. So make we get in that scene. We also have the one we name Ricky, you know, say that's what we call the one we name Tiki, right? So him right now, of course, unforgettable care for him link up with Rochelle and say boy I'm ready for war, anybody for Rochelle, whatever scene. So we have the lion one, we also have share, we have a bunch of things for people, so make we get in it.
Me sending requests. GX, that would never happen. Anybody know about stinking shade know say that can't work. Everybody know me not send you no requests. Nothing more than TJ, him not understand TikTok. Nothing more than TJ, send him the request and take it back at the time. Don't fucking do that. No do that. Me not send people requests, I'm gonna run up in a people. Anybody know me know say me not run up in a girl and boy coming a like friend. I'm gonna look friend from people coming a like people. Sometimes not even like myself. So I saw one screen a while ago you come a blood clap about your style. Jakes you can't style me. My baby mother say you suck pussy, your mouth rank and stink. Don't come by me. Cause me never send you no farmer request. Nothing more than TJ send the request and take it back. Because TJ asked me say if me and you cool and I said no. No, I did. I never said no request come to you. So nothing more than TJ send the request. The whole time when TJ taught me in my phone, me I try to find my record from yesterday. I eat me dig up and me I look for right now. Cause I want to, you know nothing about TikTok, you know. Nothing at all you know about TikTok. TJ send the request and take it back. Me never send a request and no me not touch my phone and request you. From Jake's company TikTok, I never ever send you a request. Never. That would have never. Let me tell you something. My rank. And me not take this is fake. Me tell TJ from yesterday. Me's not like everybody else where take insult for invitation. Somebody style me and me dey on screen and me a laugh and me a tap it because I'm not coins. Me different from all I want on TikTok, from Jayden, Jabbas, from the wall I want. Kinds make people set up on a live. Kinds make people take this that. Me not do that. So if people did over my life yesterday and here when TJ asked me, that's why I asked who did over my life yesterday and here when TJ asked me say me and him not have nothing but is the woman baby father and me not go add him. TJ send the request and take it back. I know you're the pan left the pan. Me send request come give you stinking more GX. Finger it touchy body Jakes, me never send you no request. Not tell a lie for me. That's why I not like the pan screen with people because you have a tendency for add people and send and me end up get the blood clot blame. No look a big pussy girl in the comments the pan. Yeah, such enough. Me never send you a request yet. Never. Never ever, that would have never happened. I'm different from everybody on the internet. No matter how soon I trend, me not look. I will give me 2 cents and talk and I'm done. I not send people requests, nothing a lie for me. So when you put your life, you go style, Jakes you can't style me a bottom touch. Don't come here, son. You can't style me. Your Your mouth stink. And your baby mother words me I use that tell you. Your face stink. Your butter fingery. So I don't know how you for blood clot come here, sir. You can't style me. And TikTok make you feel like so now smaddy. You're not a body. You're still a dirty, whispery blood clot background, blood clot looking nasty, man. All blood clot butler. So now when I make the internet and the people in the comments make you feel like you're smaddy. You're not a body. You're still a nobody. So take your little fame what you get right now and go on with it. Run with your little fame, your little 24-hour fame or whatever, 7 days, 9 days. No come hype yourself. I'm telling about the internet, man. Always make drunker feel like them and look at them some hummingbird, some pigeon. The internet. You're still a nobody. Don't forget that. You feel like say you take off, you don't reach nowhere. Humble your blood clot self. TJ sending a request and take it back. She never send you no request so good, GX. She never send you no request. Don't tell a blood clot like for me. If me never send your baby mother request or me ever request you, does that make any sense? If me never request Rosealee yet or me ever request you, you dumb? You dumb or what? Now make the internet get to you. Now make it get to you. Cause 1 minute them like you, next minute they don't. 1 minute them put you up, next minute them trap you. See little fame what you get, take with it and run with it. You depend like boy you style. Me just see the fucking screen record. Me have to go and die and say me when me ever send you a request. That would have never happen. I would have dead first before me send you a blood clot request. Me said when they put a gun on me head and say send a request, me not send, they have to go kill me. Cause that would have never happen. None of them can screenshot me and have me up now when I say me send a request come go. None of no. So now come tell a lie for me. It's best the people them say to you say boy GX and TJ and already they on the screen.
Some people, GX and Shay, you know, yo, how much people and Shay are? Yo, Shay, me not realize still, you know, it look like say I had the trouble, you know. You see me, it look like I had the trouble because there are so much people can't watch Shay. Come on, man. So people tell me one thing, make watch some more.
And TJ send the request and take it back. Because if you did on the live yesterday and here when TJ asked me say, if me and GX could I said no. TJ said, well, Yanim ever said nothing. It's the woman, baby father. I'm not going to send him no request. Don't add him. So more than likely, him send you and take it back. See if I call TJ and Annie yesterday on the live with me. So what the fuck? If anybody on the live yesterday, I got me say. Me tell TJ say me and I have nothing, just don't add you. So what you mean by send a request for what? Is that possible? If me never request your baby mother, or me go request you. I am a blood clot popular more than your baby mother, so how me go request you? How me go request you, GX? You don't know nothing about TikTok. TJ said the request I used to share and Queenie come up, so you think of me request you. Me not request you so good boy. Licky, bitey, cha, blood clot GX. Me not requesting until a lie for me. Nasty, stinking mouth batty man. Not tell no lie for me. Oh, Nyamarella. Not tell no lie for me. Cause me no request you. see DJ, me gonna tell him. Me I say, listen, you see me up on the screen, please don't send these people any request because it's my name. Them I go use. Them not go see you send them the request. Them I go see me. That's why I'm not like up on screen with people, bro. Cause not me and everybody on the internet good. I don't want to be good with everybody. Miss rather stay that way, yeah. Have enemy all, but me not mind. Come now walk and look friend from the body, Miss Alona. My born blood clot alone. If him not understand, him simple not understand. What the fuck him a style my for? Don't come tell me about him not understand. If him not understand, him just simple say, no, so me not understand. What the fuck him a style my for? What GX know about me? GX never suck my pussy yet. Him never fuck me yet. So when him come stab, what my style for? You didn't put your life when you talk to your people and you tell them, say, no, say, me get one request, but me don't know. What the fuck? Black that girl, go suck your mother. Me see the screen record, come on from 11, go suck out your mama, big pussy girl. You come here about your blood clot style. You can't style me all shit face, all shit mouth, batty boy. If you don't understand, you just don't understand. Because I'm not sending a request. It's DJ send the fucking request come give. Me not request you none at all. Moderator Black. Oh God man, easy up the youth go through all that. You and him go suck on your mama. You and him go suck out your mama. I don't give a fuck who want go through anything. Go kill yourself, simple. If life too hard for you and take it too much, there is the fucking hole. Dig a hole and put yourself in a blood clot. What the fuck you tell me say I go through for? Where you tell me that for? That ain't my business. You come here about your style. If you don't understand, you just not understand. Just say simple, not understand. Me dey on the screen yesterday with TJ.
Yeah, me notice my name easy for call. What go on, ya boy? Me very much notice that say my name easy for call. And me see you send out a message come give me rose. You see when people make drunk or feel like hummingbird, you go and feel like you're special. Because me go tell you the truth, Rosalie. Come here. Come here, Rosalie. Because me could never call you a drunk crow. You're a drunk crow vomit. You, Miss Rosalie, you're a drunk crow vomit. You're not drunk crow. You're a drunk crow vomit. Come here, baby. Come here, Rose. What are you talking about, clothes? Why are you talking about clothes? Good girl, Annie no want no clothes from you, no clothes from Jake's. Me get my own clothes, baby. Remember me tell you, Annie will always be Annie. So when you come chat about clothes, Rosalie, go sit down. Go and go blood. No, I can't tell her that still. Tell her to stand up, bitch. Because you're always sitting motherfucking down. When you talk about clothes, Rosalie, eh? Bitch, go and go extra blood clot size. Go and go blood clot, extra blood clot size, Rosalie. You talk about clothes. What kind of clothes you have, miss? Eh? You remember say I mean I'm good girl, Annie? What kind of clothes me could have want from you and your ugly blood clot, man? Talk truth now. You're going like Jakes or blood clot things. Ugly blood clot Jakes. Are you alone Jakes blood clot wants? Are you alone Jakes want big stinking sour blood clot, Rosalie? You sour girl. Y'all come argue with me? Eh? By the way, come here chat because we not cuss. Come here. Why you see up the rat shit them in your jaw for name it? You that hungry? Box food queen? Huh? Why you save up the rat shit them in your jaw for name it nasty girl? Don't even know if you clean your own place. Can't clean your blood clot room. Looking at your blood clot house with a bag of raw blood clot wire. All of the money where you make off of social media. You tell me say you can't string your good house. Rosealee with the rat shit them in the jar. Box food queen. You can't call somebody nasty. Stink and frownsy. Eh? Rosealee, when you're talking about my mouth, check your molly body. When you come on social media, you talk about animals. You need to check your stinking, frownsy, molly body. At that, you need to take a check, pan. You can't call class people and call them stink. You can't class people and call them frownsy. You're the queen of frownsiness. You're the queen of stink. You're the queen of molly. You shape bad no blood clot. What do you got Swiss sleep party? You look like a rotten ackee. What do you dress up and go Swiss sleep party? You look like a rotten blood clot ackee. You look like when ackee rotten and drop off a blood clot tree. Rosealee, you know nobody? Talk it truth now. Are people that make you feel good, you know, girl? Are people that make you feel like you're a blood clot smaddy? Who want your blood clot, baby father? A man who can push up him head up and need for your pussy. Eh? A man who can eat for your rotten front. Who don't want blood clot, Jakes? Jakes what?
Hey, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Yo, this are the same Annie when we see on screen recording, you know. I ask GX if GX single, you know, my people. I know she has said she don't want GX. Jaja, boy, I tell you.
Your finger? Eh? Who don't want blood clot, GX? Girl, you write off your own baby father because you don't want nobody have him. Me don't want your blood clot, baby father. Me didn't run a joke with the blood clot, man. My sorry, me run the blood clot joke, but you don't know nobody if you come here to come chat to nobody. Rosealee is a careless mother. All your chat about me and bickle about me on social media. Who lose them blood clot pitney? Huh? All your chat about me on social media say me a careless mama. Careless blood clot Rosealee. Who lose them pitney? Nasty blood clot Rosealee. Who lose them child? Eh? Over a boy when I wants you. Over a nigga when I wants you. Rosealee, you're mad over cocky when I look your way. Rosealee, you're mad over blood clot cocky when I look your way. Girl, you invest in a dick and you don't get no blood clot draw. And me a chat to queen of the blood clot ghetto. Eh? You're queen of the motherfucking rubbish sheep. Careless blood clot, mama. Come here. You careless no blood clot. Who lose them blood clot, pitney? Eh? Your pitney then don't live in your blood clot house with you. Talk about that. Speak about that. Acting like you're smaddy. Eh? Go sit down and regroup and come again. All these years you cuss me up on blood clot social media. Rosealee, who lose your child? Careless blood clot, mama. With the rat shit them in your jaw where you save up for nyam. Box food queen. Are you talking to me? Rosealee, look for your hand background, you saw how it look. You come like you can't even wash your body good. Rosealee, you need a power wash for cleanse you from top to blood clot bottom. Sour crutches, Rosealee. Who could have want blood clot, GX? GX will eat for your pussy? What would I not do with GX? A man will go up and eat that the sour stinking moldy crutches there. Girl, your sick blood clot stomach. You can't come argue with nobody. Careless blood clot drunkro. All in one. You look like a sour blood clot porridge. You look like a sour blood clot porridge. Shape bad no blood clot and tan bar. You come here so every day you want click live and cuss people. Huh? Who want blood clot, Jake stinking girl? Where Jake would not do with me? You have a right. You have a right. When would I not do it good, nice me? Huh? Talk it truth now. You can't compare your blood clot self to me, dirty girl. Stinking Rosealee. Huh? Rosealee, let me tell you something. I can't see my pussy. See there? I can't say me good hole. Rosalie, take your two and them and lift up your belly and find your pussy. I'm sure it's going to take you a week. Take your two and them, lift up your blood clot belly. You need a forklift, by the way. You need a lifter. Find your blood clot pussy. By the way, go find your clit. I know a long time you no visit your blood clot clit. Go and go find your blood clot clit. Take you a long while to look down there, so don't. You stink and frownsy like. Look my yo. Empty barrel make the most blood clot nice. Girl like you will sit down on social media and lose your blood clot pitney. Where you take them and send them out of shop, you go buy rum and boom. Backwood blood clot queen. We can't even cook a night blood clot good dinner drunk crow. What do you see you cook some soup? Rosalie, what do you see you cook some soup, my love? Are the whitest soup me ever see. White man tradition. Thinking Rosalie. You can't even cook to save your blood clot life. Talk about that. Girl, me shouldn't even argue with you, you know. Cause you want to make it look like me argue with you over your blood clot, man. Me no want no beaten blood clot stick. Man will fuck out the whole of your family. Me no want blood clot that. A man we can suck your sour nasty cranny pussy. What me a do with blood clot that? Talk truth no? A man will run through your sister, mother, brother, uncle. What me a do with blood clot that? Germs. Talk truth no? Me say now people make you feel like you're smutty. When you say drunk crow, I make them seems like them a humming blood clot bird. Thinking Rosalie, what do you see you clean out your house for once? You clean out the dresser, you sweat like a dog. At the dresser alone, you reach to blood clot and you're tired. At the first time you ever go spray some freshener in your room. Molly blood clot girl. We are dibble-dabble in a rat shit. Talk truth now. You go talk about good girl animal. Girl talk about the tongue wing.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because I'm going to share Rosalie a respond to Annie. You see me I say? So I watch some more, my people.
Talk about the tongue ring, where they in your mouth, where you not clean it for years. What the whole of the maras and the mucky where blood clot depend that. Talk about that no stinking Rosalie. You love argue with people, don't? You love argue with people, don't? I know me make the boy no want you. I know me make the boy no want fuck you. I know make the boy no see you. I know make the boy use you. Move your blood clot and go away. Look at you. Some girl a choke cocky partner, nah get no draw, girl you nah get no draw, blood clot. Rosalie, you invest in the dick and you not get none. Move your blood clot and go away. Gots to, have to. Any man come round me, I forget that. Look at you. You run up and come talk about class. Class who? Go class your stinking front. Go class your molly body. And that if you go class, your cranny. You look like a one old blood clot. You know them rotten blood clot ply there? I saw your shape. Your shape bad no blood clot. You come here to come argue about man. No man see you? No man want you drunk, bro. I the one man we want you GX. Go on to blood clot, ugly blood clot GX. You hear me tell you? Me say your man boss a style. Me no rate that. Me no rate what your blood clot ugly man say. You understand me? Who blood clot want GX? Move your blood clot and go. You think like a dog. You know say you're GX beating stick. Bitch? You're not Jake beating stick. You better glad my mother at me, you know. You better glad my mother at me and come watch my braces. Don't watch my braces. You need a pussy cleanse. You need a body cleanse. You need rub down, scrub down. Yeah, man. You need rub down, scrub down. You need a pussy cleanse. And that you need stinking blood clot, Rosalie. You come argue with me. You can't argue with me, dog shit. You can blood clot argue with me, dog shit. Girl will sit down and make you lose your own blood clot pitney over blood clot man when I want you. Your sick blood clot stomach. Look at you. Never waste my time for you in a drunk crow. I don't even waste my blood clot time for you because it's not needed. None at all. Rosalie, you sit down and make how much money on social media. In your house look like a trap. In your house look like a rat blood clot trap, girl. With all of the raw wire them in your blood clot house. Eh? In your blood clot house come like a final destination. And when you talk about thinking, girl, you get up every day want come truck pan people and want come blood clot argue. Talk about that. Girl will fuck your own blood clot mother man. Take her mother man, you know no love. All my pick them your blood clot class. You can't walk in on my pick them lane. Oh Jesus, why me argue with that blood clot tumbleina, ya man? Eh? Sweet, sweet mango tree. Sweet, sweet mango tree, big fat sour sow. Why me argue with you? Girl will fuck your own mama man. You fuck your mother man. Nasty blood clot girl. Eh? You know that the house you wanna fuck on one another dog shit. You can't come out and come argue with nobody. Stinking blood clot June. We each up a blood clot Airbnb. Huh? Talk the truth now. At least me there saw me a hustle. Me a struggle. You blood clot June, what you do with your money? Talk truth now. Eh? Talk truth. And one thing me know, you know. Me know this, you know. Say people bias on social media. But bitch like you, not supposed to come try take down nobody. A bitch like you, a big fat sour stinking whale, sour blood clot sow like you, not supposed to come try take down nobody pan blood clot so. No blood clot lime. You smell like a rotten blood clot cabbage. You come like when Irish are rotten. You stink. You smell like a dung a market. Move your blood clot. You smarty? Eh? Get a blood clot rubbish sheep. You smarty Rose? Talk truth now. Talk blood clot truth now. Not a blood clot. God no, but can't believe you come here, so come jump up and argue with people. Eh? The time you take and do this, go and check on your kids. Go and check on your kids. I never see a woman lose her pitney and so happy. You're so motherfucking happy when you lose your kids. For sure the type of person who you is. You see what me star in a series? My star in a blood clot series. Me I get cocky, me I get every blood clot thing. When me a star in a series, me come blood clot good. Me not throw a blood clot partner and give you say nothing. Yeah, me tell you, I know me make Akeem no want fuck you. I know me make Akeem no see you. I know me make Akeem keep him blood clot birthday party and big old stinking so him never want you there. Huh? Bitch, you're delusional. You're so motherfucking delusional, bitch. I sit down and watch you and laugh every day. Look pan patakos keko. Look pan patakos keko. Talk truth now. But I know now. Why you gonna argue over blood clot, Jakes? I would have never want blood clot, Jake. I'm not gonna take a problem for my head. And that mean no, I mean I want a man to come beat me and batter bruise me. I remember say you don't talk, so you fuck out Jakes. Remember say you chat it out to your mouth, so you fuck out your own baby father. So move your blood clot and go away. A man can put fem head down in a for your pussy. That the stinking soda. Eh? If that the man that could have stomach your stinking pussy if you go suck that. What me I do with blood clot Jakes? Talk shoot na girl. Sister girl come here. Molly blood clot girl come here. Eh? Just by thinking about it you make me want vomit. Look at you. Look at you. Nobody can blood clot call you drunkro. You're drunkro vomit. That is what you.
Hey, my people. All when Akeem done with the series and gone about him business, Rosalie still hang up on the man, you know. Jaja, that's why you have to know you treat some girl, you know, because you will give the wrong girl the right treatment, and them can't like forget about you and turn a pest in your life.
is, you're not drunk, bro. Drunk are good something when you come on to this. You're drunk or vomit. You're blood clot, smarty. What do you see your blood clot handbag? Girl, your handbag crying in a blood clot. Me not talk about my mouth. Me not talk about your handbag, Rosalie. Eh? Big and dirty and cranny. Rosalie, lift up your neck, yes, so. Lift up your blood clot neck, yes, so. Oh, Jesus Christ. Girl, you're molly. Eh? And you argue with people? And you cuss over man? Sim want go on, baby? Dog blood clot bed? Eh? Dog bed blood clot, Rosalie? Talk truth now. Talk blood clot truth now. You come talk about if Jakes could have want you. Move your blood clot and go. Who want blood clot, Jakes? Talk truth now. Listen to me. Punkus can't work with punkas. You hear me tell you? Let me say it again for you. Punkus now run down punkas. What punkus are going to do with blood clot punkas? Eh? Jakes on blood clot social media beg and me they are beg too. What me I do with blood clot, Jakes? 2 blood clot beg I can't make one. Eh? So where we go? You look a joke when me run with your blood clot, ugly blood clot man. Eh? Looking like a big blood clot juice. Your big juice looking blood clot man. You come Bex? You feel glad. You feel blood clot glad. I know for una make people feel like so not smarty. I'm glad if you glad bitch. Look for you. What do you see a Swiss sleep party? You look like a rotten blood clot aki. Eh? Looking like you got Sunday blood clot school. You come like some rotten blood clot porridge. You come like when mud dip and ground. You shape bad no blood clot. Move your blood clot and go. Go pay your mind and go lose some weight. The time when you take and cuss people, go and go lose some blood clot weight. Get yourself together. And that if you go do. And stop blood clot walk around and cuss blood clot people. That you need to do. By the way, you need a cooking class. Because I'm not like Rosalie, you not happen. Not even look a soup. Not even look a hot water you can't boil give a man. Talk the truth now. Big up my girl Simpson. You need to go one cooking class. Girl, you is a mother, you can't feed your pitney them. Talk about that. You is a mother and you can't feed your blood clot pitney them. Anyone who ever see you on TikTok a cook a good meal give your pitney? Eh? Remember, said Jakes is your maid. Remember that. Remember, Jakes is your motherfucking maid. Eh? Good girl. Talking about good mother. Cause you know one of the things that my son come out here and I love do. And I love come out here, come cuss people, come talk about. Oh, worthless mother, careless mother. Rosalie, who are the careless mother now? Who are the worthless woman now? Eh? A mother will sit down every day and can't give up in them a decent meal. Talk about that. Nasty blood clot Rosalie in your stinking house, in your dungeon, in your rubbish heap house. Huh? Talk about that. Not even in your house to blood clot you can't get up and clean. Ever never what happened to you what day you would get up and go clean the blood clot room. When GX expose your blood clot house, your nasty house with the rat shit them in it where you see off in yam. Talk truth now? You cause smarty? You cause blood clot smarty? Girl, go sit down. Go and go blood clot sit down with your wishy-washy soup. Look on this blood clot, ugly blood clot monkey. I come class blood clot people. You know, say I wanna make that girl feel like she a smarty. I swear to God, wanna always make this look a stinking soul. Feel like say she can come attack blood clot people. You understand? What do you people see her and I call to her. A spit, she spit off of the blood clot people them. You hear me tell you now? What do you hear? People see her and call to her. A spit, she spit off of the blood clot, the old nasty blood clot drunk crow. You have blood clot smarty girl? I don't know what me there so waste my time for. Okay, where is so come here, the person say hi to you. Alright, so guys, me tell you this morning, so me not unfollow the person. Me go ahead and unfollow the person. Right? Because last night, same energy when Same energy when push off, me not like that. And it was just a joke me I make with him. Right? Everybody didn't run joke with him. But you see, oh, I go on over film chat, me make sure some unfollow and rotted. Because me not rate how him go on. You get what me I say? And him is not all that film coming and come Boston style pan people them type of way there. Because a joke me I make with the look dirty foot man. You understand? So me make sure some unfollow him ASAP. No joke. Me not ramp. True, man. Yeah, Maka. He might feel himself too much. I look a joke where I run with him, you know. He feel like say nobody. Look here, a joke we didn't make. Like literally, ask Vanny, all away, I just joke where I make and a skin off with teeth. You see me? No, mommy, unfollow him, man. Cause God know me never see myself disrespect him. But last night me a dance and I enjoy myself. And what him I say, me never rate that. And I'm on the on my live. I'm on the on my live and I want to dance and enjoy myself. Nobody can tell me what to do. Not just like how woman dance and enjoy herself when she ready on her live. You what you say? Him keep on a call me the word here. I saw him too goddamn much. You get me? You go call me that. Look what you got through. Look what your life. And him come call me the name there. Over and over and keep on a repeating, you know. And last time I just run some joke with him and I dance and I enjoy myself. And you want you the man a go on over there like no joke. Me not another joke there with him. Cause me know him and Chevy there. Me know him and him baby mother now live. You get what me I say? What me would do with a man like that? If me I take up a man, me I go want to be comfortable. Like literally, if I'm going for a man, me I go want a nice life. Me not go want a pretending type of life. You get what me I say? So if me I run down Smaddy, and it would never be Jakes. Because yeah, another person trash can be another person treasure. But me no want that the trash there. You get me? So me no want him coming and come feel himself them type of way, yeah. So me make sure I get rid of them off of my page. No, him a go on too much man, him a feel him got there. You see me? Furthermore, me no like man beater. Man we beat woman, and we me no like none tall. No, me not cuss. Me not cuss me baby. I'm just saying. Me no like man beater. He's a woman beater. And him know that. You understand what me I say? But him a go on too much. Him a feel himself too much. And he feel like him a go diss me. Me I tell you the truth, me a go diss him. So, me better not go back on him page. I don't like what him did. You get me? Because all away a joke we are run. Nobody no really want him for real. So he must feel himself too much. The only smart they want him a must Chevy and Rose. Must Chevy and Rose and who else in the comment section when he can't fool. So I don't want him ramp with me. Yeah. I don't want him play with me.
Alright, my people. More ask Kono this, right? When it come to man, we put them on woman, right? Uno believe say like some woman bring it out as some man are naturally some man just love like woman. So the simplest thing him will raise him and do whatever. Tell me in the comment section.
Him not do that as my point and tell me I go diss him. Real bad me I go diss him.
The first time she come talk about how I send 2,000 people and I get back much team money, and she write down some figures and say if figures and I can't even understand what I'm going to get. So I'm going to follow up that, I try my best now. Follow up them for fufu. So me hear stupid argument, fufu talking, I follow it up. Because not them time yo, she want me in an argument with her. Yeah, me have this and me have that and I'm not no. I'm not going to be that person there. They are so with my baby mother over nothing at all. Especially on the internet. They go argue with her about this, argue with her about that. Nothing. When I got told with my baby mother with. So no matter what, we're not going to hear me in a rebuttal with her and not even argument, no. So she can't say anything she feel like say. But she say it already. She say it. as she say. But people in them box, people that keep live. Say people have my money, I don't understand that. People that keep live for my name, but how people have my money, bro. Sake of that now, people start lose enough gifters sake of that. Me lose a lot of gifters sake of that, but people that take my money and who have access to your man. Who have access to my paper more than me and my paper? Even B0DY mother come talk about she have proof of my PayPal. I same thing with you, Denisha. Welcome to the media. For real. But B0DY says she have proof of my PayPal activity. Me I like for you. Me I challenge you now. You come out with a proof with my PayPal activities. More you come up with that. We don't live on that, brother, because take that argument that me I lose a whole heap of gifters when we need help to finish what me I do. Because I have a aim, I have a goal, I have a vision. You see it? It's not like that me who hear a talk say, yo, people never hear me a talk, nobody have my money. Nobody never hear me a talk say, you know, so I'm going to stop to you, Chevy, because Chevy have some money all and family, I can't get it. No. I'm still a talk to her, so why am I not talk to somebody who have our money? Come on, man. Sometimes when you hear some narrative too, when you just jump and run with it, you can't think for yourself, you don't have a brain. People must can't think for themselves, brother. Think. It's not the thing I say, but come on, I can't say go. I know I'm buy a car and all them things there. What car then? But I'm gonna buy a car, I'm gonna focus on the building. You them come out now, me a focus on right now, to finish the building. Then we move towards the legal part, so I can get back custody of my baby then. Because I'm down in my custody. So I aim is to finish the building, move towards the legal part of the thing, the court system, and get what I use them. Yeah. So I don't have time for people about my money when I know some want my money for do my thing. But I don't need every dollar for do what I want to get done. I'm funny, brother, man. You're a fool argument, brother. The kill is chatting. Because of that, I have to come address you now. Because of that, people have stopped coming home, my brother. I mean, I like that. Maybe not hear it from a couple of days ago, me I hear it. Me I scroll through my fire, you and speak like come time with my money. I'm based on people when I have my money. When I have nobody to nobody have neither, yeah? When I have
some people tell me what you think in the comment section. You see, when it comes to TikTok, you have to know how to take program, you know, because I tell them to say, yo, the simplest little thing, you know, them gift ya, we take with themselves, you know. Yeah, man. So you have to know how to like play a hypocrite game. You understand what I say? So my people, don't tell me what you think in the comment section, because me feel like say from JX get the support on TikTok, Rosealee try her best to stop him from get that support there. You know what I mean? And it look like say it a work, look. So tell me what you think in the comments.
Feel like some low where I made this ton load of money, but I'm a ton load. Every time I make money go towards the cars. Anything what we get, was put on the thing. Yeah. Every day the mace man run there put on black. Him and him work. I'm going to get paid for him work. And me I pay the labourer too, because the mace man charge me money. And him I pay the labourer, so I go pay the labourer. Somebody rob my money, I'm still deal with them. Still talk to them. I'm not frightened. Look, I'm a friend. I'm doing it, man. You know what I'm saying? When me I shop around a $15,000 100, they might charge me for lay black. 15 grand 100 when me I shop around. And my neighbor said, Jake, see me 10 grand. Me earn them out 10 grand 100. 15,000 100 can't cheap. But where you get that from? Well, if you say that cheap, alright then. You say that cheap. You say that cheap. That means that sorry myself for me and along then and somebody really feel sorry for me more, I put it to $10,000. Because I say 15,000 somebody buy out that cheap. You understand? Okay then feel sorry. No, I feel sorry for me, you give me that price and somebody say me a ball same way. Me a ball that dear. You understand? So somebody, my neighbor, we are mates, my neighbor. Come on, I'm not using me. I'm tell you that straight. I'm not using. And when I tap me, then I'm not plan for use. And 15 grand my charge me. And the man say, yo, me give you to 10 grand, 10 grand 100. And me pay the labourer. 10 grand 100 and me pay the labourer. Oh, me not have 5,000 pay. What about 5,000 I pay labor? Me not have that, you know. Listen, help me again. Help me again. What is them people here? Listen, help me again here. Help me again. Help me. Me not have that. As me said, the mates are my neighbor. You believe right with females that right behind my house. And the labourer, I want my dog, I want my jayden, you understand? So, help me again. You must be mad. I don't have it here, people. So, what is the one I want to help me out? Yeah, see that? Who write that? Who write that? Hold on, somebody write it a while ago. 10 grand for the mason, 4 grand for the labourer. Somebody just write it. Yeah, man, that one for true, man. Because when you want to start talk, so I'm going to talk. You understand? I'm going to know what I want. Because I must start, who not help me out, you know? Who not help me out? So I'm going to know. You see, so yeah. 10 grand for the mason, 4 grand for the labourer. I should have 3-5, me a paying for tune user. Big man, I should have 3-5 because I'm a friend. He must can see with me. You see it? Patrick, don't worry the foolishness, Patrick. No, Patrick. Money argument and a rabbit money argument and them talking there. You see, yesterday when time I go down slipper, we could have buy the water shoes, you know. We could have buy the water shoes. We could have buy the key, the thing when you put the phone in. Phone time you can walk, you know, water get it. We could have buy the two of them. is just show me have things to get done, and I bring people bring me out. But just call the man who bring me out, so I just a top man. More water shows. And I have it. So, because the labor are coming up for your day out and 3 months today. And the means come like you want to hear me. So good things whenever you spend up, whenever you want, spend nothing.
Must want Must one screen card with Cha invite Jakes out to dinner. So the man kiss him teeth. So show the man kiss him teeth now. Must one next screen card got about him a trash and him a trash and one woman trash what was it, one woman trash cap say about trash and treasure. I'm not say we'll go down to business.
Hey, my people, with Annie still, you know, he's supposed to chill when it come to money, you know, because Annie gets so much picnic and, you know what I mean, do our share, our fair share of man and getting man and this and that and way. I feel like say her skin catch a fire too easily and too, you know what I mean, too quick for a new man that she man look the man and the man not interested and she feels some type of way. You have to chill, man, because remember say people have a bad reputation about you. You have a bad reputation about yourself, you know, or you that say run on the street way. So I know any man I go and take you up. Them say you more thing, them say this, them say that, them say way. So Jakes now go and get himself involved in a certain things, you know what I mean? Remember the man knew, you know, and him know some own a long time, you know, so him now will get involved. So you have to just build. Wait till a man look your star. No run go look at. You supposed to use the man by now. People let me know what you think.
Tell about trash and treasure and where you look man too much. You look man too much. And who the one who did one who never do one who. And who the one who never do one who never do one. You look man too much. Cause the boy when I want me I never me look him. The boy, whenever want me, I never me look him, so I'm supposed to catch feelings. It's the boy wanna talk about and I want me. Him not supposed to. I'm never more come. As all of them start, cause the boy never want you. Annie, I'm never spend pay yet. Annie, a boy ever go in and pack it yet. I rent Airbnb and cook and give you, and you do that. So me have 2 different kettle fish. A boy ever give you 100,000 for kiss again. Me get that. Yep, I will never buy a Ringa man no want you. Your mouth sour. Your mouth sour and stink. Every day the boy don't want you. The boy don't want you. The boy don't want you. Boy spending money on me. And that's why me want him. Is that boy where if me roll gar road, me have to spend $1. So pick what you want. I got you. Is that boy when me and him go road, me not have to spend $1.
dime. Not even 1 red cent. It's a pick up what you want, order what you want, order it. I would that. I want this every minute. But they are working. Every time I don't want to come class, me no want add in the blood clot. Boy, I like so well and say the boy never want you. The boy tells him no want my honey. And you see the boy hold up my face and kiss me. The kiss look forced like the girl in America. I never go down in detail, I don't know. That made me who I am today. You know, me never come anyway. One day or another come in. Me have to can't sleep good tonight. Yeah. I say boy, I don't want me. Maybe I talk about that don't go down in a gravy. You say boy, I don't want me. Annie, you know, see, when me and the boy go to the boy spending money for me. I remember when the ship like, remember my ship half a fine. Remember my ship the easy for blood clad fine. Remember me roll up and fall up and come like flip and stomach. Annie? Remember me roll up and fall up and come like flip and stomach. Annie, so when the boy about, the boy spending money. A real Pandora boy go in a store, put on him good name on it and buy come give me in a box. Real Pandora boy go in a store and put on him birth name, the first name and the last name and buy come give Rosa. The boy kiss me in a real life. The boy kiss me for the whole pack crowd. The boy never scan me. And I like the black girl in America with them force fishy got shirks up. I say what this? Come look and see them. I say what the blood clot this? Then that could get me in my feelings. When I see the girl on the black tights, we don't want the type of girl not too easy. We don't want gold digger. We don't fuck for y'all $2. When him see him, I say spend. I go want to redo your body and redo your breasts. Him no want to know. Cause phone and can't clap with female. Him no want no girl with him and can't clap with female. When him a go so, him not anymore girl with him can't go so. Man want you? Me have force up myself per man. Like we have force up myself per drinks. I say you have a class, my baby father. But since that we are going to shape. Since that we are going to shape, we get 360. We are going to shape Annie. Annie, we are going to shape. We are going to shape Annie. Since that we are going to shape, we are going to shape. My job, we go down that shape, Annie. I roll up on my navel, alright, but we go in a scent, and you stink. Annie, you have an braces in your mouth. Come here. Come here, Annie. Look down in the motor, identify the shit stain. Look down in the mouth. Look what braces in her. Look down in the mouth and identify the doodle mark. And then look down in your mouth. So them couldn't rub off this so. And your mouth. My God. Annie, but take off my filter. Annie, see the what I saw? Gone for you. Hush. Can't come for me. Annie, you want $15,000 clean mouth something. Well, that can get you in a one chair, and that can go in your mouth and the bang. In your blood clot mouth. I remember you come out, your mouth stink. Your mouth stink. Annie, me shit, but I roll up and fall up. I smell better than you or your whole family. Annie, me shit, but I roll up and fall up. I come like Floxy Mango, but you come like Fleam Pan Stomach. Me smell better than you and your whole your family combined together. I want to walk with stinkness, I want to attract stinkness, I want to have no use of money. And you're dirty with capital D. I force tongue my poor baby father for your stinking self, and him run like a jet to holiday. What jokes I do with you? You ever hear me account Akim Bandit yet? I count who? Eh? It's who want count who? And it's who did want carrot who? How the one over and boy no want me, and boy no want me, and boy no want me. The boy treat my blood clot good, so I'm supposed to fall in any delusional trap. The boy treat me nice, so I'm supposed to fall in any delulu, falulu, or man blood clot lulu. The boy treat me nice. Everybody have them fuck up ways, but the boy treat me nice. Like I'm a real present. Come give me what I never experienced yet from another man. So my fall feet me not a problem. Yeah, I mean I.
Hey, my people. Yes, when it come to woman, you see the man them out there, them have to know what them do when it come to woman. You see me I say people, me say this over and over again, you know. Remember me telling us this thing with Akim and Rosalie now go end well, you know, because the way how him treat Rosalie, although it's a serious thing them a do, she a go end up fall for him same way, and that happen exactly what happened. She fall for him because him treat her too nice. Watch out my people. One of my brethren one time, you know, it's like you have a girl in the place where, you know what I mean, hot, you know when a new girl come on the scene, you see me. So every man I look at them people, the man say just pull up her foot one day and just say what you do, and she say she not do nothing, and I say make me go out for your drive out. See, we are told the man carry her go. Carry her some place where she only hear about. You know what I mean? Alright, they say man lick her chip. You see what I say? So sometimes we as man we know if we don't forget the girl them wet, you know. You see what I say? But you have to be careful of the which girl you do it with. You see what I say? I do it for.
I should be for nobody. I want to invite me a blood clot party. Look come by talk my own. Me say I want to try iron. I want the boy to invite me to a party. Me not dash him with a blood clot nothing. How I meet him treat my blood clot good. And my team say he must say. In time my team do lulu, me do lulu, you know. Me do lulu, my team do lulu. I will stop the lulu. But for now him we are say straight. So I go pack it up a notch. Wow, big miss, big hole and dirty mouth. Cause you are worried about me. A man don't want me. I remember when man did that kiss me, I never give no sour nothing. Your mouth stink in a real life, and you can't come about Rosalie. The whole part of you stink. Yeah. My shit bad, but the boy always over me. You see that? Annie had a camera trick. The boy kiss me, yes so. The boy kiss me, yes so. The boy kiss all right, yes so. The boy all over blood clot. I mean, nothing like that for myself. The boy all over blood clot. Like when you need flour, I have to catch in it. I need and blood clot need. So good woman. What you mean by my man no want me? And it was fake, and your pussy fake. In your time. Hold on there. What you mean by the boy no want me? Know something me and the blood clot boy? Yes, the boy took the money and buy my real present. real Pandora. We're gonna sort of put on first name, last name, and middle name for Calic. And boy cook for me and the things them. I mean boy come on. I need not even the blood clot girl in the party. Where that wine pan him no blood clot. Me not say as not threat. Go long night deep. Mama sit down and go down night deep. Annie, when me see the blood clot girl in the party, I wine pan my blood clot boo. My boo, my booby, my dad, my man. She not give me no threat. She not threat me. She not me not feel threat. Yeah, come here, say you shape too good for single. And you not go eat him out. Come on, now look for come. Your shape good, your pussy good all big. She not give me no threat. My lala boo. She not give me no threat. She not give me no blood clot. It was force. You see, that's the party with him. I'm a mission him. Me no Akim. I know some force on him. I know all I'm fake smile him. I know when I try to look happy. Yeah, my man. That the guy not threaten me. The guy don't threaten me. She not threat. I say, he want peace and it's not she. He doesn't want peace of it. He want a peace of mind. A Rosalie the boy says straight. I won't look like we ain't nothing. So when I come to me and come to me good. Man carry me out and spend. Man carry me out and spend, Annie. Man pay me 100,000 to kiss him, Annie. When me and the boy are live, Annie, the boy all over blood clot me. And off camera the boy want me. Annie, it's the day when me I got court. And me and the boy are drive up and down. I'ma come out. My foot the kind of white. I'ma see the gentleman bend down and wipe off my foot. See me? I see the gentleman bend down and wipe off my foot. Me say blood clot. See me? In my mind. I say blood clot. Why you do that? I say, but babes, the foot white. Move your stinking blood clot. Mr. Akim, Annie, the boy never want me, the boy trim better than, oh, your man will fuck you, treat you. And that hurt your feelings. And that's a grudge, my father. My fake relationship with me to have the boy treat me good than your real relationship where you have when man dig out all the hole and the things that you stuck all cock and them out all battle and the good things them. I remember say you have to buy when Airbnb rent, you have to spend your money, you have to use money buy food, the fake ring and the cupcake, I set up that. Let me get some buy the old car. If say me have car. So my fake, the boy don't want me. The boy don't want me and my relationship fake better than your one. Cause the man where you did a grind, him class you. I'm gonna know say bubblegum is not Wrigley's. Bubblegum is Wrigley's is not toothpaste. I would
Hey my people, you see if me did a Annie, me I tell you some more allow man alone, you know, to the amount of bring down where you get by a man where you used to date, especially man on TikTok.
I ever meet me out.
The man said the money here.
Oh.
You do something.
Oh.
So we go send a TikTok song. Pull it off.
Aye.
Look now.
Aye.
There?
Oh yeah. Yeah, me and Dama they have one attitude. Never buy a man ring for stay with me. Danny, the man actually enjoy me every presence and every moment, you know. And the boy actually, Annie, enjoy my presence and every moment of me. Yeah, in a real life. And in a real life, Annie come here in a real life. I tell somebody about real life. He said me I drink some water. He must say, give me some of your water we are drink. I think you get that thing on card. Maybe you can't walk with stinking mouth. Maybe you walk with stinking mouth, bad breath, sour belch, colic. And then maybe you walk with colic.
Cellulite, slim girl have cellulite. Some slim girl have cellulite, but slim girl will have body. Then we have cellulite. Fat girl have cellulite. It's totally normal. But this is some man now when not used to man. Man not have cellulite, you know. So when you have some man and I be a man them a fuck, them now go see it. You get what I say? Cause man not have cellulite. When you turn up when the next man pan back shot, all him a see a bone. So him not go see no dimple no hole. You get what I say? Me happy for my dimple and hole, they make them stay. And to smell good, I the best thing. That cake can't look good and stink. Why you gonna look good and stink? But you never better look good. You can't look good and stink. So I prefer no say me have a sink hole them and cut up and bust up as long as I still I look for the bus them. I prefer cut up and bust up and all up than stink. Yeah.
Wrap up them blood clot, Rochelle, like a be ammunition. Class, anybody I bring down. Class I bring down. Rochelle, if you feel like you want to take back your man, you take back your man a blood clot. Yeah. No make nobody telling if you feel like you want to hide that game pussy, you can't hide that because you man do we worse than that we take them back a blood clot. It's same girl them we a chat. It's same girl them we a chat. It's same girl them we a chat. It's same girl them we a chat walk a Lego green card no blood clot. Like them are the blood clot CEO for USCIS. Like them are the blood clot CEO for USCIS blood clot S. Anything what you want to do, because at the end of the day, what your man do to you, me never see cut off your head. A regular for your man give on, a regular for a man walk for a woman blood clot, come back, come and assault. A regular that day, me never see cut off your neck. Although if you even be not go do it, he heart what you want, don't broke your heart to see if you prove to no girl fire. Your heart or your heart or find your happiness start within you. If you don't make yourself happy, nobody else not gonna make yourself happy. I want to make you happy, and that you do. I want to make you happy, and that you do. Fight. Remember when them attack, they can't come for me, you know. Only thing they can say to me, say, go. Chef never want you, feed them footsteps.
I pray that them say, man no want we, and if man no want we not go dead. We still love ourselves, we still just up cute, we still do the things them we alright, we not dead.
They say, yeah, you're pretty, but...
Yeah, and she ate me.
You are shape, you're pretty, but you are shape. You should have said, baby, it's all natural. I added nothing here. But you ugly, and still go by shape, and your shape come out ugly, fugly, rugly. Yeah, you must start to wrap up class. So no run go by shape before no buy pussy.
This
so no run go buy shape before no buy pussy.
Me provoking like me ever come by you can take up the problem for my head. Never. Has she ever put my problem on her head? I've never opened my mouth about a girl about fear business in her life. Nobody on TikTok. Because I know my business is not perfect. So
10 run and level fly. 10 run and level blood clot fly. 10 run and level fly. You don't know if because say 10 run and level fly. Them are the only girl me see come out come married in a blood clot.
No way. That's why she could have never made me come. I don't shape no way. So she could have never made me feel no way. Me don't shape like no character. So she could have never made me feel bad.
But them by shape no blood clot. But them by shape or shape like blood clot.
And you buy shape. See a girl tell me you buy the shape, you know. Buy the shape and look like pop balloon. Wobble. You don't look good. I never said you tell me pretty and look like you don't look good.
No blood clot. Me glad for them care class me see.
The girls.
Them by shape no blood clot or shape like Haiti economy. I want the blood clot them. They walk it's a green card like them are the mayor for USCIS. Not even Solomon no full of husband like them a Solomon generation and that you must tell them say if you buy shit if me when shape so bad on one man left for the blood clot you one man world no left me and you shape so good. And you shape so good. And you look so good busy sometimes. Every man will come in and you will fly out like the wings of a dove. Every man will come in and you will fly out like the wings of a blood clot dove. So might as well you go buy the shape, you should buy a pussy. Or you should buy a tan to me boy powder no blood clot. Destiny cannot wear blood clot, Rochelle. Destiny need to go buy a blood clot. Don't argue with him, a Batman. Argue with no Batman. Tell her, say, one need to buy a new pussy and one need to buy a mouth. One need to buy a new pussy and one need to buy a mouth. Destiny keep them out and do Beyonce dance. To the left. Uncle, the box, to the left. Tell Destiny, so when she attack, you see what she said before you hear what she say. Tell her, move her dirty blood clot. She had, I'll lip her translate the word before you come out no blood clot. You want to, I'm out favor, I show no blood clot. You know if you tell him so, Rochelle.
You have to tell him for me.
You don't know if you tell him.
You have to tell him.
She walk about everybody blood clot argument. Destiny K8 to remember say KD that pay shameless go beat ya Belgium. So friend ya look I see you walk across up. You see me I want somebody me like a poison. You see I hate chef to the death when walk pan. Destiny me hate him like a poison and Rosalie me don't like him. Me not have nothing against her but to what she do me. Me attack her own hate. You see Destiny she have a style like this. You and me a cuss Rochelle in go cuss off me. And next 6 months, me and somebody else a cuss her next 3 months, he run go pick up back for money you want friend. And by next week he come back and send me
Destiny and me send for Tiki a bad girl.
She run come back again. Pick our blood clot friend back again and turn him back. I remember say she did cuss off Rosalie for Shay, you know. I know we cuss off back Shay for Rosalie again. Cuss off back Shay, I start talk but she pick up for Rosalie. So she steer. So now then the people they in the job, them in near to the blood clot I feed them past splinter. Then the people there where you make one mug a coffee blood clot tea I feed them past splinter no blood clot. Destiny no shape like Destiny mouth no favor no donkey. Destiny favor zebra no blood clot. Destiny more big like the cow step in there. Destiny you can't come down no girl right here so no blood clot. Destiny go fix your pussy with on the wrong side. Destiny remember when manna fuck you up in your foot as a kiss me teeth between your legs. Destiny remember when manna fuck you up in your blood clot foot is a kiss me teeth between your head. Man left Rochelle and man Rochelle is but you are the only man with only girl me see bring a man come party TikTok and the man greet you inside a man to shake you and he shake your mouth and say good morning. You can't chat to no girl about your Destiny. Cause all you chat to like a poison of blood clot. Destiny when you're talking in your one room, echo go buy furniture no blood clot. Stinking girl. Destiny with the sea head under your body no blood clot.
Alright my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Yo, that boy Ricky, him love buy out people argument you see. But let me know what you think my people. We are watch some more. Me see a video with C and Lee. This Zoomer, people general style, me have a laugh. So the man want F off his mother from him a young. People, me not lie still, you know. Zoomer sitting more time, me just remember upon here and start laughing, you know. Me don't know why man feel like saying it for go up a national program, go do them so go. People me can't stop laugh, yo. Jaja, and tell me if a son can't stop laugh because every time I remember about it, me laugh. Every time I see no look a glimpse of it, me laugh. Me can't stop laugh.
Destiny jippy girl. Destiny we are leak like chicken back chuck. Emerald Destiny. Destiny was shaped like when Rizla turn sideways no blood clot. You know no portion to girl, you skull or bone. And me say I want wrap up on no dirty blood clot. You see, me say I choose sometimes me say I want to go to church, you know. But you can't turn part this blood clot to go to church. Cause again I feel like buy your argument.
Dry you out, me I tell you how much you try.
Destiny can't 8, you can't 9, you can't lunchtime you. But you come out the blood clot. You know what? Let me tell you something. I always say 3 somebody me we pick up for. Triple. Me will fight for triple till the death. Cause triple don't make trouble with people. I will fight for Sicily. I will fight for Sicily till me drop down. Because we don't make trouble. Even if we don't make trouble for real. Me know say Sicily have so look commotion ways, you know.
We all do.
Yeah, we are I'm always stand up for Rochelle and fight for him. Only thing we can find out about Rochelle is annoying. It was when my post was about the baby father, and it can be annoying because she's venting because we understand the feelings there. Yeah, look back. A boy could have done your mouth up out. A boy could have done your mouth up.
And I said that for myself too.
A boy,
yeah, me did me overboard. Me admit it. I said it. I was venting.
Me not fight for Maya. Me not fight for Maya because me and she are no friend. I mean, why? Listen to me. You come now and me say right yes or no. Rochelle, me now would I look at say Rochelle have to vent because A boy could have name chicken back and you put him in the position where man name oxtail and he name the oxtail and bite up the bone and throw it in your face. I bet say him could come out go argue with Mackerel so cause Mackerel give it to her blood clot but you should have a pick for you. Cause everybody type on the comment section.
Everybody.
I like them a cashier. Everybody type under the comment section like them a cashier. Why in
yeah, the girls them have a type and talk how them feel about
why he feel like must show for your receipt. Everybody
just like
type like
with
them
the Rosalie situation. Me never da rejoice, you know. Me just say even though she and a lot of people not see eye to eye and she cuss me, she still not picking a deserve to be get taken away, put in her home where I not feed them home. By the time me look two a mama that a cuss me and ivany, me I say, look how much people talk about the situation. No, you have a pick for me. You have a pick for me. It's obvious now. Are you want me? Are you love me? Obsessed with me?
Go cuss them, just go cuss them. Go cuss them.
Yes, give me. Yeah, we're going done now. Me something figure make.
Go custom a blood clot. Destiny no buy an argument and make no video for your blood clot. Destiny go buy a new motor. What? Destiny go buy a new motor. Ask Destiny go buy a new motor. Ask them carry blood clot. A blood clot website. I tell her go add a new pussy party. Tell her then Rochelle we buy the body. Then Rochelle we buy the body. After you buy the mouth, you send carry blood clot link. I tell him say add a pussy party care. The same website me buy the mouth and then Rochelle can go buy the body.
Wrap it up now.
Yeah.
Wrap it up, Tiki. Wrap it up now.
Cute. One word them. Rochelle do back down. Me say fire be a shot like in a most wanted no blood clot. Rochelle go be ammunition for ammunition. 45 shoot out when ninja for the M16 your back your Glock 9. I make them know what time is it the blood clot. Because you see at the moment when you calm down, at the moment them go take stuff. You ever have a picnic I go school later, the other picnic a bully man and lick him. Every day get up and lick him. But at the end of the day when he turn back and start fight back, they stop lick him. Later my cousin I go look something, I go wash up my big wall.
Alright. What did you just say a while ago? Alright. He said enough. I don't have to say anything more. Right. Right there, so. Alright. Alright. Yes, I don't have to waste my energy no more. I think he have said what he should say. And he get it off his chest. Business time now. Time to go and look it. Remember them say everything me do for money. So like how TikTok is for that, let's just play some game and see if anyone of my clean heart female them can give me something. Tiki-tak, you know, like Kimmy, you wanna come and say something to me? Guys, this is chosen godmother, loving Kimmy, caring Kimmy. Kimmy probably not ever come. That if I listen to her, I can't go wrong. She probably won't even come, you know, but she gonna tell me, say, I should do the right, I should focus. It's not worth it. She's not worth my energy. You know, those kind of things, which is true. So, she not worth my energy. And I made a YouTube video for her. And I said the same thing. I said, why should I argue with you?
I don't have anything to say to you. You know, you have things to do. You have better things to do. Didn't I tell you not to come on here and do this?
Yeah.
You have better things to do. Please go and check your text message. Goodbye. Take me down because I'm not used to this.
And to some people, it might look away. And to some, it look like the right thing. You see me, I did. Yeah, me dog. But regardless, man, in spite of everything, man, I want code, man. You see me, not change, man. You hear that? Yeah, me dog, not change, man. You see me? You see me? No, me a behave, man. Me not get no trouble. Me a behave, man. Me not get no trouble. You see me? Yeah, bro. Nah get no trouble. You know my style already. I don't come for talk down nobody. Or make nobody look no type of way. You hear that? You're too big for that, you see me? Yeah. But those who know, and those who understand, you see me I say? And know where me I come from. You hear that? At the end of the day, as bad as we be, we are only human. Always remember that. As bad as we be. You see me? But not change, man, in spite of everything, man. We're there the same way. You see, bro? Yeah, me a easy, man. You see, man? Big up the whole bad bush, you know there's something come down. You know me already, me and I type up. You know me and I no fucker, man, bro. You see me? I love to deal with straight, right across the board. You see me I say? Believe. That you know me for. You see me? You know, we have a look at fuck up ways more while and something, dog. You hear that, but we know a fuck up person, you see me? Yeah, dog. And the whole place paint a picture of man like, man of the worst, bro. I win the worst, my dog. You hear me, I told you? Yeah, my dog. You see me, we're full of composure. But, I look at things just go on away. You see me? You fuck up, but a sleeveless, man. No cause harm, man. You see me? No cause harm, man. You hear that? Tell me, I tell you. Not change a one code same way, man. You don't know me already. I straight love me, David. Cause before that, you never know so me so jovial and all of that. You see me? Yeah, my dog. And when me attack and I say bad dog and charge it, you don't know code. We live by the code and die by the code. So everything we do it in a code. Good. We talk in a code. Everything we do in a code, bro. Good. So when we are reason, we are going to say, yo, what if I want if the boy know we're the bad dog, I will not talk to nobody, we just attack in general. You see me I say? Yeah, dog. But I just want to know, say, I want code same way, man. You hear that? In spite the fuck, man. No change, man. You see me? We grow good, my dog. You see the pre? So no boy and girl or nobody can make me turn on my phone for try to disrespect nobody, bro. You hear that? We done so what we say already and that at that. You see me? Yeah, my friend. I want code same way. All Spaniard. Big up all of my friend them. Big up Jaffras anyway. Real bad boy. You hear that? Big up the Duns them. You know the murder come down already. Big up the whole Spain town. We not have to say 40. You see me I say? Yeah. But me don't want to have this picture of man like we are the most fuck up man on earth. No, we are not the most fuck up man on earth. We leave for things we go on with. Now say it right. You see me I say?
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, right? Because I understand what the dog is saying, my people. But what him not understand is that I don't know if to him been, you know what I mean, around the street and the girl them, you know what I mean, them soft team or whatever. And maybe this is the first woman where left him. You know what I mean? And maybe even maybe another first woman will left him still. But maybe the first woman where him love certain way will left him. You see me? So man I got in them feelings. I'll do a way as man try to hide it enough for the time. It have to come out at some point. So I guess it come out there so. And it not done yet still, you know, people. Maybe him come and do it again. He might adjust the situation now because it kinda look away. You know what I mean? Like he might run back a girl or whatever. But he don't have no bad way to feel about it. You see me I say you love a person. Simple as that. And if you crash out and express yourself, nothing wrong with that. You see me? Although we are man and we full of pride and them something there. You understand? So this is just the one that got away. Because every man have one of them. The one that got away where I got all ways, you know what I mean? Then your book as your ideal girlfriend or your woman then or whatever. But I just life. You see me? So let me know what I think.
That what you say? It's when people have their mouth on your dog. Nothing good. Nothing when you good not come off your bad dog. You hear that? When too much people have their mouth on you, bro.
Yeah, that piece already.
You see me? Nothing good not come out like bad dog. But the youth them just stay prayed up, man.